Let's look at bank reconciliation, one of the most important parts of Xero. To show you how it works, I'm going to switch over to Xero's demo company so that we have some real transactions to work with. To do that, click the drop-down next to your organization name over on the left, and then select Demo Company. Once you're viewing the demo company, come back to Accounting and click Bank Accounts. You'll see the checking account here with items ready to reconcile. Click Reconcile 29 items to get started. Bank reconciliation is how you keep your books accurate. Xero pulls in your real bank transactions on the left, and your job is to match them with the records inside Xero on the right. For every transaction, you're answering 3 simple questions. Who was it, what was it, and why? Once everything is matched up, your reports will reflect your actual financial position. There are 3 types of transactions that you'll come across. Some, Xero has already matched for you. Others, Xero will suggest a match for. And finally, you'll need to create some manually. Let's walk through one of each. The easiest ones show up in green. That means Xero has found an exact match between your bank transaction and an existing record, like a check or an invoice. Just click OK to confirm them, and you're done. Some transactions won't be an exact match, but Xero can still make a suggestion. Let me scroll down to find one of those. In this case, Xero is recognizing the payee, and it's suggesting a bank rule that's already been set up. Bank rules are a great way to automate recurring transactions so that you don't have to code them manually every time. Let's right-click and open this rule in a new tab so we can see how it works. In this tab, you can see the condition that Xero is checking. When the payee matches, it automatically fills in the contact and assigns it to the right account. Let's close this tab and then click OK to apply the rule. In this other suggested transaction, there is no rule, but Xero has enough information to make a likely match. You can enter a description if you want, and then you can click OK to reconcile. For transactions where Xero has no match or no suggestion, we create the entry manually. Type in the contact name here, and you can create the new one on the spot in line if needed. Then click here and choose an account. You can add a short description, and then to reconcile, click OK. These manual entries are common for small one-off expenses, and over time, they get faster as Xero learns your business.